My name is Chris W. from Weaponar, and we're here with the Honda Fit. We're going to demonstrate how to install a race header. First, what we're going to do is drop 4 K-member 19mm head bolts and drop the subframe to get this header in. 1, 2, 3, and 4.
Remember, use jack stands when doing this on the ground. Your one-piece header.
One-piece header that was custom made for a customer.
Lead right in. If I can get on the stud.
Line it up with the stud on top.
There you go. And now you would just put this back up in one place. I need someone to help me, so we're going to pause the video for 1 minute. Okay, we have to just freshly pushed back the K-member install. We loosely install the 4 bolts once again out of the 4 sections that you would know about. Okay, then you would loosely put in at least one of the tail end bolts to hold the header in place. At this time, you would want to install one of the head bolts up into the header, as we're demonstrating right now, to hold your header in place before tightening everything down. Okay, once that is done, you'd like to go ahead and tighten down all 4 of these bolts for the K-member, and then install the other 2 bolts for the tail end pieces, and then the rest of the head bolts for the header. And then once that's done, we will take another picture for clearance. Okay, here's the final install of the header. It's bolted up here. You notice you guys' clearance right here, plenty of clearance. You have a clearance on top, all of it here, and it's bolted up. O2s are in, O2's in, and it's bolted to the head. And that is your install for the Honda Fit race header, one piece, which is not made anymore, but 2 pieces is made easier, so you do not have to drop this K-member. And you can do a 2-piece install, it makes it a whole lot easier.